What if the next FPV drone could capture everything around you while you fly? That is exactly what the latest leaks are suggesting about the upcoming DJI Avata 360. And if these early details are accurate, this drone could completely change how creators shoot cinematic FPV footage. Because instead of choosing your camera angle while flying, you could simply focus on the flight and decide the framing later. Let's break down what the leaks are revealing. First, the design. The Avata 360 appears to follow a cine-whoop style frame with fully enclosed propeller guards. This tells us something important immediately. This drone is not designed for extreme freestyle flying or long-range mountain dives. Instead, it is built for tight environments like indoor fly-throughs, real estate videos, and cinematic shots in crowded spaces. The compact body and ducted propellers make it safer to fly close to objects, walls, and people. That kind of protection gives pilots more confidence to attempt creative shots that would normally feel too risky. And sometimes, that smaller and safer design actually leads to more cinematic results. But the most exciting leak is the camera system. Reports suggest the drone could feature a hybrid dual camera setup. One system captures full 360-degree video, while another forward-facing camera handles real-time FPV navigation. Think about what that means. Instead of worrying about perfect framing while flying, you just focus on the movement and the path of the drone. Later in editing, you can reframe the shot from any direction because the camera captured everything. For filmmakers and content creators, that is basically creative insurance. If you slightly miss the angle during flight, you can fix it in post. Another detail appearing in leaked images hints at an upgraded transmission system. For cine-whoop flying, range is not the most important factor. What really matters is signal stability, especially when flying indoors or around obstacles. A cleaner, low-latency video feed would make navigating tight spaces far easier and safer. Early packaging leaks also suggest DJI will offer multiple purchase bundles. A base model for experienced FPV pilots, a mid-tier package with a controller, and a Fly More bundle including extra batteries, a charging hub, and a carry case. Pricing has not been confirmed yet, but rumors suggest a launch starting in China around March 2026, with global availability shortly after. If all of this turns out to be true, the Avata 360 might not replace traditional FPV drones or cinematic drones like the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Instead, it could become something new entirely, a bridge between FPV flying and full 360 capture. And that combination could make it one of the most flexible drones DJI has ever built. So the real question is this: would you rather have pure freestyle FPV performance, or a drone that captures every angle while you fly? Because the future of drone filmmaking might be about never missing the shot again.